Hi, this is Abdi Salam Tor, CSC 110 Winter 2019 Woman, and this is Homework 5, Question 8. This question is asking for us to modify a turtle bar chart so that for any value above 200 or above, it's filled with red, and values between 100 and 200 are filled with yellow, and bars with values less than 100 are filled with green. In order to do this, you go with the turtle module. Define bar T, comma H, T for Tess, H for height. Get turtle T to draw a bar of H or height H. If H is greater than or equal to 200, T.color red. This command makes it so that the turtle knows to start the color off as red because it's over 200 or equal to 200. T.begin fill. This is when it starts to fill in the color. T.left 90. You want it to start going up. T.forward H. It moves up a height that you specify. T.right string H. It writes the height on the top. Sort of like that right there. T.right 90. It moves 90 right. So you get from here to there. T.forward 40. T.right 90. So you're back facing downwards. T.forward H. You get back down here. T.left. T.end fill. T.forward so you can move on to the next bar. Aleph, else if H is in between 100 and 200, the T.color yellow. Same process. If Aleph H is less than 100, T.color green. Same process. Here are my values: 800, 150, a negative number 201, 118, 90, and I used a for loop. I said for x in XS, bar is T comma X. This X here is meant to represent all of this here and the height. When I run this, I get 800, which comes off the screen, 150, which is less than, or which is in between 100 and 200, negative 201, which is less than 100, 118, and 90.